Good morning. Chapter Trigonometric Function, exercise 3.3, question number 25. So the question is, prove that cos 6x equal to 32 cos to the power 6x minus 48 cos to the power 4x plus 18 cos square x minus 1. Okay. So start from left hand side. Left hand side is cos 6x. Left hand side question is cos 6x. Okay, so we can write 6x means 2 into 3x, cos 2 into 3x. Okay, and take 3x equal to theta, so cos 2 theta. Okay, let 3x equal to theta. Okay, now use cos 2 theta formula. Okay.
Sir, it is equal to cos square theta minus sin square theta.
Yes, this is correct. Okay, but see the question, right hand side is minus 1 is there. Now we know cos 2 theta many forms are there. So which form minus 1 is there? Minus 1.
Sir, 2 cos square theta minus 1.
Okay. So
2 cos square theta minus 1.
2 cos square theta minus 1. So use this form. 2 cos square theta minus 1. 2 cos square theta minus 1. Okay. Cos 2 theta equal to. Now theta means 3x. So write in place of theta 3x. So 2 cos square 3x minus 1. Okay. So cos 3x. Now use cos 3x formula. So we know cos 3x means 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x, that is cos 3x formula. So write cos 3x formula. So 2 4 cos cube x, 4 cos cube x minus 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x, 3 cos x. This is cos 3x formula is whole square, because cos square is there, whole square minus 1. Okay. Now a minus b whole square formula, a minus b whole square. So 2 a square first. So 4 cos cube x whole square minus 2ab, 2 into a means 4 cos cube x, 4 cos cube x, 2a into b means 3 cos x, 3 cos x. So minus 2ab plus b square. So plus b means 3 cos x. So 3 cos x, 3 cos x whole square, b square, bracket close, minus 1. So a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now calculate this. 2 4 square is 16 and cos 3 whole square is cos to the power 6x. So 16 cos power 6 x, cos to the power 6x minus 4 2ab, 2 into 4 8, 8 into 3 24. So 24 cos cube and cos x, that is cos to the power 4x, cos to the power 4x, okay, plus 3 cos x whole square, 3 square is 9, 9 cos square x, 9 cos square x, okay, this minus 1. Now this multiply by 2, so equal to
So 32 cos 6x
32 cos 6x minus
minus 48 cos 4x.
cos 4x
Sir, plus 18 cos square x.
18 cos square x
18 cos square
minus
x minus 1.
yes 18 cos square x minus 1. Okay, see the right hand side, 32 cos to the
Yes,
power
sir.
6x minus
Yes,
48
sir.
cos to the power x, 18 cos square x minus 1. Okay, so this is equal to right hand side, this is equal to right hand side, therefore left hand side equal to right hand side, and it is proved. Okay, all of you clear?
yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so next exercise is general solution. Okay, some trigonometric equations are given, we have to solve the trigonometric equation. Okay, so for that is called general solution. So for general solution some formulas are there. Okay, so first we discuss the formula for general solution. Okay, so formula you have to remember, by using formula, okay, solve the trigonometric equation. That means find the angle. Suppose sin theta equal to cos theta, so you have to find the value of theta in general. Okay, so first one is if sin x equal to 0, if sin x equal to 0, sin x equal to 0, then what is x equal to? Here angle is x. If theta, sin theta, then theta equal to. So then x equal to n pi. Okay. Where what is n? N means integer. Where n belongs to z. N belongs to z means integer. Can be any positive or any negative integer, negative number. Okay. So if sin x equal to 0, then x equal to n pi. This is the solution of sin x equal to 0. X equal to n pi. Then number 2, if cos x equal to 0, then x equal to, so we know cos 90 is 0, so x equal to in general 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. Pi by 2 cos 90 0, so in general 2n plus 1 x equal to 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. into pi by 2. Okay. So where n belongs to z, integer. So where n belongs to z. Okay. Then tan x equal to 0. If tan x equal to 0, then so sine and tan are same formula, because sine by cos is tan. So then x equal to n pi. Okay. So sin x equal to n pi, cos x equal to 2n plus 1 into pi by 2, and tan x equal to 0, then x equal to n pi. X equal to n pi, where n belongs to z. Okay. Then if sin x equal to sin y, if sin x equal to sin y. Okay. So if sin x equal to sin y, then x equal to n pi plus minus 1 to the power n. Then x equal to n pi plus minus 1 to the power n into y. Okay, where n belongs to z, integer, means any number, 0, plus minus 1, plus minus 2, plus minus 3, anyone. Okay. So if sin x equal to sin y, then x equal to n pi plus minus 1 to the power n into y. Then if cos x equal to cos y, yes, cos x also their formula, cos x equal to cos y, then x equal to x equal to 2n pi plus minus y, where n belongs to z. Okay. So cos x equal to cos y, then x equal to 2n pi plus minus y, where n belongs to z. One more, tan. So if tan x equal to tan y, then if tan x equal to tan y, then x equal to n pi plus y, then x equal to n pi plus y, where n belongs to z. N belongs to z. Okay. So these all are for general solution formula. Okay. So by using this, we will do next exercise 3.4. So exercise 3.4 question is find the principal and general solution of the following equations. Okay. Some equations are given. So find principal value and general solution. Okay. So 3.4 first question is tan x equal to root 3. Okay, it is completed.
Yes, sir.
Up to 6.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Exercise 3.4. First question. Tan x equal to root 3. Tan x equal to root 3. So principal solution first find, then general solution. So tan x equal to root 3. So we know root 3 means tan 60 degree. Tan 60
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
and
The pi by root 3. Pi by.
yes, tan 60 root 3 and tan x equal to root 3. So when it is positive, so which quadrant tan is positive? First quadrant and
Fourth quadrant, sir. Third quadrant.
all sin tan
Third
are
quadrant.
third quadrant. So first quadrant and third quadrant. So this equal to, we can write tan 60 degree or third quadrant tan positive. So third quadrant means pi plus. That means 180 plus. So or tan 180 plus 60. We can write this. These two are same. Okay. Tan 60 root 3 we know, and tan 180 plus 60 also root 3. See, 180 means 2 into 90 plus 60. So 2 into 90 plus 60, third quadrant, and 2 into 90 it is even. So tan only, tan 60, and third quadrant tan positive. So tan 60 root 3. So same value, same. So we can write tan 60 or tan 180 plus 60. So this is equal to tan 60 degree or tan 180 plus 60, 240. 240 degree. Okay. So this is tan x equal to, so x equal to, therefore comparing both sides, the x equal to 60 degree and 240 degree. Both are correct answer. X equal to 60 degree and 240 degree. See in radian, that is pi also you can write. 60 means, we know 60 means pi by 3.
Pi by 3.
Yes, 180 by 3 is 60. 180 by 3. So this equal to, we can write pi by 3 and 240 means 240, 4 into 60, 240 no. So 4 pi by 3, 4 into pi by 3, 4 into 60. So we can write 4 pi by 3. Okay. So these two are principal solution, or you can say principal value. These two, pi by 3 and 4 pi by 3. So the principal solutions are, see the question, find the principal and general solution. Okay. So principal solutions are, therefore, so the principal solutions are pi by 3 and 4 pi by 3. These two. This is principal solution. Now, general solution you have to find. So in general, so tan x equal to tan 60 means tan pi by 3. Now tan x equal to tan pi by 3, tan 60. Okay. So use the formula tan x equal to tan y. That formula. So x equal to tan formula say tan x equal to tan y, x equal to n pi plus y, x equal to n pi plus y. Use this in general solution. So x equal to n pi plus y means pi by 3, where n belongs to z. Okay, this is very, very important. N, what is n? You have to write always. So n belongs to z. So the question is tan x equal to root 3. Okay, find the principal and general solution. So principal solution is pi by 3 and 4 pi by 3, and general solution is x equal to n pi plus pi by 3, where n belongs to z. Okay, clear how to solve this general solution? So need formula only. Formula you have to
Yes, sir.
Okay, if you know the formula, then easily you can solve. Okay, so this is the general solution. This is another answer, general solution. Okay, see question number 2. Question number 2 is sec x equal to 2. Sec x equal to 2. So sec x means we can write sec x equal to 1 by cos x equal to 2. Then cos x equal to 1 by 2. Both side reciprocal. So sec x equal to 2, that means cos x equal to 1 by 2. So 1 by 2, we know 1 by 2 means cos 60 degree. Cos 60 is half. So equal to cos 60.
Yes, sir.
And another value is cos positive. Which quadrant? Cos
Sir, fourth quadrant.
First and fourth, no? First quadrant all positive.
Yes, sir.
And fourth
Yes,
all
sir.
sin tan cos, fourth quadrant. Okay. So this equal to cos 60 degree, or cos, and fourth quadrant means 360 minus 60. Fourth quadrant is 360 degree up to degree. So it is angle is 60. So 360 minus 60. So cos 360 minus 60. Okay. So cos x, question is sec x equal to 2. So sec x 2 means we can write cos x equal to half. Half means cos 60 or cos 360 minus 60. So it is equal to cos x equal to cos 60 degree, or cos 360 minus 60, 300. Cos 300 degree. Okay. So therefore x equal to Therefore, x equal to 60 degree and another one is 300 degree. 300 degree. Now, 60 degree means pi by
3.
pi by 3. Okay? And 300 we can write 300 5 into 60, no, 300. So 5 pi by 3 now. See, first one is pi by 3, 180 by 3, it is 60. And another one
The
is
next one will be 5 pi by 3.
yes, 5 pi by 3. 5 into 60, 300. So 5 pi by 3. Okay? So the principal solution is this.
Yes, sir.
Principal solution are pi by 3 and 5 pi by 3. These two answer. Okay? Then general solution now. It's general solution. So now take cos x equal to cos 60. First one. 60 means pi by 3. So cos x equal to cos pi by 3. Now cos x equal to cos pi by 3. Okay, cos 60 half. So cos formula you see in general solution cos x equal to
So
cos
2 and pi plus minus y.
yes 2 and pi plus minus y. So y means pi by 3. So x equal to
So 2 and pi plus minus pi by 3, where n belongs to z.
2 and pi plus minus pi by 3. Yes. Pi by 3. Okay. Where n belongs to z. Okay. So this is the general solution. So this is the general solution. Or which is the general solution. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next question is cot x equal to minus root 3. Okay. So cot x equal to minus root 3.
So 1 by tan x is equal to minus root 3.
Okay. So cot x equal to minus root 3. So cot x is 1 by tan x. 1 by tan x equal to minus root 3. Then tan x equal to reciprocal both side, tan x equal to minus 1 by root 3.
So minus 1 by root 3.
Minus 1 by root 3. Now tan negative. Okay. So tan negative which quadrant?
So second and fourth quadrant.
Second and fourth. Okay. So second and fourth. The second quadrant means pi minus 180 minus. Second means 180 minus. That means tan 180 degree minus, and this equal to 1 by root 3 means tan 30. Actually this is minus tan 30 degree. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3 and tan 60 root 3. Okay. So 180 minus 30. 180 minus 30 C, 2 into 90 minus 30, so tan 30, and second quadrant tan negative, so minus tan 30. That means it's okay, we can write tan 180 minus 30. These and minus tan 30 are same. So these, or another one, fourth quadrant, so tan, fourth quadrant means 360 minus. So tan 360 degree minus 30 degree. This is fourth quadrant. 360 minus 30. This is fourth. So this is equal to tan 150 degree or tan 330 degree. These two. Okay. So this is tan x equal to so therefore x equal to 150 degree and another one is 330. Okay. So question is cot x equal to minus root 3. Okay. So we convert it to tan. So 150 and 330. Okay. And 150 we can write 150 degree. We can write 5 into 30. So 30 means pi by 6. 5 pi by 6. 5 into 30, 150 degree. So 5 pi by 6 and 30 into what? 33. 3 into 11, 33. That is 11 pi by 6. 11 into 30. 11 pi by 6. Because 11 into 30. 311, 33, 330. Okay. So these two are the principal solution. Okay. These two are principal solution. Okay. All of you understand principal solution? How to find?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you.